Hi babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny and today I'm going to be reviewing and trying out for the first time this super interesting product that I recently discovered. This is by NueBoo and it is their anti-wrinkle silicone chest pad. And yes, you heard that right. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely love to take care of my body and my skin. You guys know that I love skincare, and with that being said, sometimes I do pay a lot of emphasis on my face and maybe on my hands and using SPF and things like that, but I think it's very important to also take care of very important areas of your body, like it is your cleavage and chest area. I do like to look good, and if there's anything that I can do to make sure that my skin looks nice, healthy, and just keeping it as young as possible, why not? So when I read about these anti-wrinkle chest pads, I was really interested about them because I do love using anti-aging products on my face, anti-aging face masks, and I started to think about how I don't use anything on my chest, so I definitely wanted to give them a try. Like I said, these are by NueBoo and these were sent to me so that I can review them for you guys. But as always, you're gonna see the before, during, and after results so that you can see the results for yourself. So they come in this packaging like this, and I believe there is just one pad in this package, and it's super simple instructions. So basically you have to make sure that your chest area is clean, dry before you apply this. And let me go ahead and show you what the pad looks like. So you open it like that, and it comes wrapped in this plastic film just to protect it and to make sure that you know that this is clean. And this is the shape. Pretty interesting, right? But I'll show you in a second how you apply it. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the plastic so that you can see it a little bit better. And I don't know if I mentioned it to you, but this is actually a reusable pad. So it says right here that when you store it correctly and you make sure to clean it, of course, after each use, you can actually use this anti-wrinkle silicone patch for up to 30 times. So you definitely get a lot of tries and uses out of this, which I think it's great. So you have to peel it off like that. Just try to do it gently. And let me go ahead and remove my hair out of my face so that you can see it. So you want to position it like this. So I don't know how to describe this shape, but essentially you're going to put it like this over your chest. So let me try to do this on camera. So you want the lower part to literally fall in between your cleavage on your breast, and I'm just going to apply it like that. Try to put a little bit of pressure so that you don't get that many air bubbles in here. And if you feel that you got a little bit too much of air bubbles, you can definitely pull it off and then just press gently until you don't have any air bubbles. But this is what it looks like on. You can see that it stays on pretty well because it does have a little bit of adhesive. It's just like any face mask. It's nothing too strong, but definitely it will help so that the pad stays in place. And that's what it looks like on. So in the instructions, it didn't tell me for how long I'm supposed to leave this on for, but I think they do mention that you can probably sleep with this overnight so that you get the best results, and then just remove it in the morning time. But today is actually the morning time for me, so I'm gonna apply it and probably leave it on for a couple of hours just so that I can really test it out for you guys. I'm gonna be doing some things around the house and I'll check back with you guys later, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like and then we'll see the results. Alright babes, so I'm back to continue with this review. So I've had this anti-wrinkle silicone chest pad for about 5 hours now. I first put it on, I forgot to show you, but it was like around 10 something in the morning and it's currently 3:06 p.m. So I know that they say on their website that you should put it on before bedtime and sleep with it on, and then in the morning you should see the results. But like I said, I decided to test it today in the morning, so I wanted to try it out for a few hours so that I can actually give you a better review. I'm sorry, it's just my schedule works out better this way. But I think 5 hours is enough time for me to see a difference, just like when you use a face mask, I feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and you'll see how easy it is to remove. So you can just start peeling it off gently like that. Oh, okay. Remember that this is a reusable pad, so you can simply rinse it with some warm water and just let it air dry, and you can literally use these up to 30 times, which I think it's really great. Usually you don't have that option with face mask, I guess, but I do notice right away that around the edges my skin is a little bit red, but that is normal because I've had this pad on my skin and I do have sensitive skin. But let me actually show you a little bit closer so that you can see. So in the area where I've had that pad, I definitely see that my skin looks really smooth. Let me actually see it for myself with the mirror. I have a mirror right here. Yeah, so I think I can definitely see how my skin is a little bit more smooth. Let me show you up close so that you can see. So that is what I see. I'm sure that this is a type of product that you definitely have to use a few times so that you can see better results on the long run. But so far, I think it's a pretty interesting product. I definitely see a slight improvement. I don't think I am someone who had that many wrinkles per se on my cleavage in between, you know, my chest and my breasts per se, but it definitely looks like the skin looks really smooth and I can definitely appreciate that. And like I said, I'm literally all in for anything that it's anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, and I just wanted to go over the website and the claims about this product so that just so that we can go over if it actually helped with those claims. And also, in case I forgot to say, this is actually made with medical grade silicone, so that it's a great point. Definitely I do see a little bit less wrinkles. Like I said, I'm not somebody who had a lot of wrinkles to begin with, but I did have a little bit of fine lines right here, and I can see how it really made my chest area really smooth. And I think that is just because this pad, because it's made out of silicone, when you press it onto your skin, it literally stretches your skin. So I can see why that will work to reduce fine lines. And the other claim that it says is that increases collagen production and skin elasticity. I think, again, that is something that you will have to try this product out for a little bit longer so that I can see those long-term results. And it also says that it prevents new wrinkles from forming and it restores the natural glow of your skin, and again that you can use it up to 30 times. So those are basically all of the claims that I see on the NueBoo website. So I definitely will try this again. Like I said, it's definitely an interesting product and I'm all for anything that it's gonna help me maintain my body looking young and beautiful, and I love anything that has to do with skincare. So definitely I would give it a try if I was you. I'm gonna leave everything down below in my description box so that you can check them out. Thank you so much to NueBoo for sending me this product. I mean, I don't have anything negative to say, honestly. The only thing that I wish is that it didn't leave these red marks, but again, I have sensitive skin, so I can totally see why that happened. And just in the matter of time that I've been talking to you, I already see how those marks are disappearing. So it's definitely something temporarily just because I just took it off. But I can definitely see how my skin, it's a lot more smooth in this area. So I will probably use this on a day that I'm gonna go somewhere special, like I'm gonna go to date night or anything like that. And if I'm gonna wear a dress that's gonna show my cleavage, and if I want this area to look perfect, this is definitely a product that I will recommend for you to use. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. As always, I like to try products in front of you on camera so that you can see the results for yourself. And again, these are just my results and my experience using this product. Obviously, it's not, I don't want it to be a full review because I definitely need to use it for a little bit longer so that I can see better results. But so far, so good. I really like using it. And definitely my chest area, it's looking nicer than it did before, which I appreciate. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope that you found this review helpful. In case you've seen this before, or if you wanted to try it, or if you just want to try something to decrease your fine lines and wrinkles on your cleavage area, definitely try it out. I'm gonna leave all of the details down below, like I said, if you guys want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.